Every single day, your kidneys silently filter toxins that could otherwise poison your entire body within hours. If they're overloaded with toxins, your body can't eliminate waste properly, leading to swelling, fatigue, or even long-term kidney disease. Yet, most people never realize their kidneys need cleansing until it's too late. Today, I'll show you how to flush toxins from your kidneys naturally using simple remedies, detox foods, and herbal cures backed by science. Stick around, because tip number 5 is a surprising Ayurvedic trick that can transform kidney health fast. So, let's begin this natural journey together. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Number 1. Start your day with hydration. The simplest but most powerful way to detox your kidneys naturally begins with hydration. Your kidneys filter toxins and excess salts, but they need enough water to work effectively without becoming overloaded. Experts recommend drinking 8 to 10 glasses of clean water daily to help your kidneys flush out harmful waste. Surprisingly, mild dehydration is one of the leading causes of kidney stones, which affect nearly 12% of people worldwide. When your body lacks water, waste products like urea and creatinine build up, forcing your kidneys to work much harder. Starting your morning with 2 glasses of lukewarm water primes your system for cleansing right from the beginning. If plain water feels boring, add cucumber slices, lemon, or mint leaves for a natural detox boost. Have you noticed dark or strong-smelling urine recently? That might be your body warning you about kidney strain. So, drink consistently throughout the day instead of gulping large amounts at once. Healthy hydration keeps kidneys flushing toxins smoothly while preventing dangerous buildups. Number 2. Add kidney cleansing foods to your diet. Food is medicine, and some foods work like natural kidney cleansers. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and parsley are loaded with chlorophyll that helps neutralize heavy metals and waste. Cranberries are another powerful food, known for preventing urinary tract infections that can damage kidneys over time. Blueberries and strawberries provide antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, which is a hidden factor in kidney disease. Garlic, ginger, and turmeric act as anti-inflammatory foods, reducing swelling inside your kidneys and supporting detox. Surprisingly, parsley tea has been used in Ayurvedic remedies for centuries to cleanse toxins and reduce kidney stone risk. Replacing salty snacks with watermelon or cucumber provides hydration while lowering excess sodium, which harms your kidneys. Studies show that people with high fruit and vegetable intake have a 30% lower risk of kidney problems. Which of these foods do you eat most often? Comment below and let me know your favorite natural cleanser. Your daily diet shapes kidney health more than you realize, so choose foods that fuel cleansing naturally. Number 3. Use herbal remedies for gentle detox. Nature offers powerful herbs that cleanse kidneys gently yet effectively. Dandelion root tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping flush excess water, sodium, and toxins from your system. Nettle leaf tea supports kidney function by reducing inflammation while providing minerals like iron and magnesium. Ginger tea not only boosts digestion, but also helps kidneys eliminate heavy toxins linked to poor lifestyle habits. Corn silk tea, often overlooked, is another traditional herbal remedy proven to reduce kidney inflammation naturally. Ayurvedic practitioners often recommend triphala, a blend of 3 fruits that support digestion and kidney cleansing. Studies even suggest these herbs can reduce oxidative stress markers that harm kidney tissues over time. Remember, herbal cures work best when used consistently and in moderation, not in excessive amounts. Have you tried any herbal teas for cleansing before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Adding 1 warm cup of kidney cleansing herbal tea daily can do wonders for your body long term. If you're finding these natural remedies useful, take a second to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about kidney health. Your support helps more people discover safe and natural ways to protect their kidneys every single day. Number 4. Reduce salt and processed foods. Here's a shocking truth. The average person consumes over 3,400 milligrams of sodium daily, far above healthy limits. Excess salt forces your kidneys to retain water, raising blood pressure and damaging the delicate blood vessels inside. Processed foods like chips, canned soups, and instant noodles are hidden salt bombs that overload kidneys silently. High sodium intake is one of the leading contributors to kidney disease and painful kidney stones worldwide. Instead of salt-heavy snacks, choose fresh fruits, unsalted nuts, and home-cooked meals with herbs for flavor. Cutting sodium to recommended levels can lower kidney disease risk by nearly 30% in high-risk individuals. This is not just about avoiding the salt shaker. It's about checking food labels for hidden sodium sources. Did you know fast food meals often contain more than your entire daily sodium allowance in one sitting? Start gradually by seasoning with garlic, lemon juice, or spices instead of, depending on salt for taste. Your kidneys will recover strength faster when you reduce the hidden pressure from processed food toxins. Number 5. Try Ayurvedic and traditional detox practices. Ancient healing systems like Ayurveda offer unique kidney detox practices that modern science now supports. One powerful method is drinking warm coriander water, which helps flush excess sodium and improves urinary balance. Ayurvedic experts often suggest a blend of cumin, coriander, and fennel tea for cleansing the kidneys gently. Oil pulling, though primarily for oral health, reduces overall body toxins and indirectly eases kidney workload. Another time-tested Ayurvedic approach includes fasting on light fruits or herbal teas once a week for cleansing. Surprisingly, even yoga poses like Ardha Matsyendrasana, half-spinal twist, stimulate circulation and kidney function naturally. Ayurveda teaches balance between hydration, diet, and herbal remedies, making detox a lifestyle, not a one-time cleanse. Have you ever tried Ayurvedic remedies for health improvement? Comment below and share your experiences. When practiced consistently, these small but powerful rituals can transform kidney health naturally without harsh methods. Combining ancient wisdom with modern science creates a balanced approach to long-term kidney detox success. Number 6. Busting kidney detox myths. Let's clear up some common kidney detox myths that confuse many people. First, drinking excessive amounts of detox juices is not only unnecessary, but can actually stress your kidneys. Second, expensive detox supplements are often marketing gimmicks that provide little more than temporary relief. Your body is already designed to cleanse itself naturally. Your kidneys, liver, and skin are the true detox system. Third, you don't need extreme fasting to heal your kidneys. In fact, it may harm them further. Natural cleansing works best with consistency, moderation, and lifestyle changes instead of quick-fix gimmicks. Have you ever fallen for a detox product that didn't deliver results? Comment below and share your story. By avoiding myths, you focus on remedies backed by science, Ayurveda, and time-tested herbal cures instead. Remember, true kidney cleansing is about daily choices, not expensive fads that drain your wallet. Your health deserves real solutions, not myths disguised as miracles. Number 7. Exercise and movement for kidney detox. Regular physical activity is often overlooked, yet it plays a vital role in supporting natural kidney detox. When you exercise, your blood circulation improves, helping nutrients reach your kidneys while flushing toxins more effectively. Even light activities like walking, stretching, or yoga increase sweat production, which removes waste through the skin naturally. Research shows that just 30 minutes of daily movement reduces kidney disease risk by improving blood sugar and pressure. High blood pressure and diabetes are the two biggest causes of kidney damage, so exercise acts as natural prevention. You don't need intense gym workouts. Instead, focus on consistent, moderate exercise like brisk walks or cycling outdoors. Surprisingly, people who remain sedentary are nearly 50% more likely to experience kidney problems compared to active individuals. Have you noticed your energy levels improving after regular exercise? That's a sign your kidneys are functioning better. Combine movement with breathing exercises to reduce stress, since high stress hormones also place hidden strain on your kidneys. Making exercise a habit, not only detoxifies, but also strengthens your entire body for long-term kidney health. We've explored 6 powerful ways to flush toxins from your kidneys naturally, including hydration, foods, herbs, and Ayurvedic practices. By making small, consistent changes, you can protect your kidneys, improve detox, and boost overall health naturally. Remember, kidney health is not about quick fixes, but about lifestyle habits practiced daily. Which of these remedies will you try first? Comment below and share your health journey with our community. For more tips, watch our next video on 7 best natural ways to improve kidney function. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and your kidneys will continue supporting your body for many years ahead.